Hello, the lesson for today is regarding entering the data type for decimals. Using the imported data named database design, which initially came in an Excel program, which we imported and opened through LibreOffice Calc, as can be seen here, which was provided by Santa Barbara City College, as well as the LibreOffice database. So first let me show you what I've done with the data from the Excel program. I didn't want nulls in it, so in order, as you can see, there are no nulls. In order to get rid of the nulls, and per Professor Beck's video regarding this, he made it easy. So let me just review that again. You go ahead and find the glass here, click on it, and then you find null, and then you replace it with 0, nothing. So all you have to do is say you're going to replace all of those categories. So you just press the button here, done, and then you close it. And as you can see, there's no nulls. So that's the first step to make it easier for you. The next step is you need to copy this database and import it. So go ahead and click in this clear rectangle here, and it gets highlighted all blue, and then you press Control-C. That's done. Come down to your database here and go ahead and paste it. Paste your data here. Now remember, I already created the table that we're going to use called data type decimal replacement, but I will go through the motions but not actually execute it. So we'll just call it table 1 for now. Make sure the button is pressed for definition and data, as well as use first line as column names. Next you do is you're going to choose the 2 items you're going to use to figure out how to input the data type for decimals. The first one is order quantity. You plop it over there. And the next one is unit price. Please remember, this is not an actual table you need for your homework. It's just showing you how to go ahead and place the requirements for the decimal for the data type. So next I will go this way and press next. And then here we go. So I want order quantity. Well, what do I want? Well, I want decimals in here. So I'm going to go ahead and place decimal. Let me see. Sometimes, kind of hard to find. Here it is. And then I'm going to say, is the entry required? You bet. So I say yes. And then I say, how long do I want it to be? Well, I want it to be at least 3. Minimal. And 0 decimal places. So then I go ahead and say, all right, that sounds good. Let me go to the next one. Unit price. So again, I choose decimal, and then I'm going to choose the entry required. I say yes. And then how long would I like it to be? Well, I would like it to be at least 6 and then 2 as far as decimal places. Blank 2. And then I say, okay, create. And then it says, do you want to add a primary key? No, I'm not going to add a primary key because this is not a true table. It's just showing how to enter data for decimal types. So here we go. And there it is. There it pops in. Let's open it up and see what we have. There we go. You have the unit price with the decimals and the quantities without the decimals. Now let's go ahead and check over here. Let's close this one off and look at my original one. And it's exactly in the same manner. So hopefully this lesson has provided you some general information how to incorporate decimal for data types. Thank you very much and have a good day.